Our daily math review number 2. So we're going to graph these given inequalities on the number line. So we have n is greater than, so this symbol means greater than, -4. So first of all, if we have a just a greater than or less than, we are going to have an open circle. Remember, if we have that underline, that is, maybe. If we have that underline, that means we will shade it in. But we don't have that underline, so we are going to have an open circle on that -4. So I'm going to put -4 here. Possibly, there we go. So -4, we have that open circle. And n is going to be greater than. So anything greater than -4 is going to be in the right direction. So anything greater than -4. So I'm going to take that big line arrow and I'm going to point it towards anything bigger. Let's take a look over here. We do have a less than or equal to symbol. That means we are going to have a closed dot, but where this closed dot will go, let's see. We have it at 2, +2, so I'm going to put it +2. And it says D is less than or equal to, so I'm going to take that less than arrow to go backwards. Anything smaller than 2 is going to be what D is going to equal. And that's literally it for our review. Don't stress if you don't get it yet. It's okay, it takes practice. Great job.